Hi everyone, welcome back to Kitchen Colony. And today I'll be doing something for the little ones. Yes, the little ones that are at home during the summer and they're unable to go out and just do the things that they're accustomed to. So today I'm going to prepare something that I'm sure every child would like, and it's called Cajun chicken, and I'll be serving it with French fries. Follow me as we do takeout in our own kitchen. Now in my bowl I have some chicken pieces, leg, wing, breast I think, and that's about 2 pounds or a little over 2 pounds. And then there we have some Cajun seasoning. Now the Cajun seasoning, I've added a tablespoon of garlic powder to it, and I'll be using some green seasoning and black pepper and some oregano. I'm going to take my pieces and clean it in salt and vinegar water and remove any feather, small, those fine feathers, and fat and excess skin. Now, if your child is anything like mine, if there's one feather, he's not going to have that piece of meat. So I have to clean it properly. But I can't take the skin off because I need the skin on in order for it to be moist. We don't want it to be dried out and very, barky. We want it to be moist and succulent. Now after cleaning each piece, I'll be lifting the skin and I'll be putting slits so that the seasonings can penetrate the meat also and not just stay on the skin, because most times the seasoning is only on the skin and not everybody eats skin, so we want it to also be in the meat. Now I'm going to continue to clean the rest and then get back when it's time for seasoning. Now I've cleaned and washed my meat and I'm using a paper towel to pat it dry, to get rid of the excess water so that we don't dilute the seasoning. We're going to add the teaspoon of green seasoning. Then we're going to use a little of the Cajun seasoning now. But please note, I'm pulling away the skin. So that I can season the meat underneath and put seasoning into the slits. Now for the breast, I've made a slit and I actually butterflied it, and I'm sprinkling seasoning inside the breast. Now massage the meat properly. Now we're going to pull back our skin to season the skin also for those people who enjoy eating skin. This really makes the skin crispy. I have used a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning and a tablespoon of garlic seasoning mixed together. Now you can use any other seasoning you like, but because I was cooking for children, I didn't want it to be too spicy. I just wanted it to be just right for them. Now that I've rubbed in my Cajun seasoning, I'm going to add a little black pepper and some oregano to it, and then I'm going to cover my meat and put it away for about half an hour. And you can leave it much longer, the longer the better. Now I enjoy lining my baking sheet or my baking pan with foil because it's easy to clean up and it saves your pan too. Now I'm adding a little oil to the pan, and I'm going to brush it in so that my meat won't stick when it's time to bake. And I'll be baking at 180 degrees Celsius. That's about 350 Fahrenheit. Now allow this to bake for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we turn our meat, so that the other side can cook also for another 15 minutes. Now it's time for us to baste our chicken. So after the second 15 minutes, we take it out and we're going to use the liquid from the pan to baste our chicken. Then we're going to put it back in for another 15 minutes. So far our chicken has been cooking for about 30 minutes and only 15 minutes to go. Depending on your oven, after about 45 to 50 minutes, your chicken should be well done. This is what we want. Very crispy skin, but extremely moist on the inside. As I said, I served it with French fries, which I did in the air fryer, and then sprinkled with a little of the Cajun seasoning. Now my son loved every bite, and I was considered the best mom ever. Now if you've enjoyed this video, please feel free to share it, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and also please remember to click on the notification bell so that when I upload another video, you'll be the first to know. I'd love to hear from you because I do enjoy your comments. Bye. Thank you for watching.